Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about ISFiltered function. So today I'm speaking about a new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. So I'm explaining different examples with the different scenarios. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop where we can understand that today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported for this creating this report under. Okay, now go to the category, dim customer and sales territory, dim date, fact internet sales, geography, product subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. For that, go to the model tab. So just collapse these two, try to scroll down. So now we can see that we have already established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables, right? Now if you place the mouse between any of them, so you can see that some kind of color highlighting. It means that based on this key column we have established the relationship between the dimension and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important. So the direction of the relationship here, one to many direction, it means that so the filter propagation is flowing from one direction to the many direction. So this is how I created the relationship. So in future videos I'll try to speak more on about the relationship. So for timing we'll try to focus on today's report only. So for that, go to the report tab. So what I'm doing here is, so I'm just calculating the total sales for each year and month wise, and also taking the percentage of the sales for each month wise. So it means that, for example, so this is the matrix as well. So year level, so this is year level. When you drill down to further, this is a month level. So when it comes to year level, so what is the total sales year in 2000? So we are taking at year level, so that is the reason we are getting 100%. Okay, each year wise, right? So that is the reason we are getting the 100%. But when you drill down to further level, it means that month level. So in entire this year, so each month wise how much percentage of sale, for example, so total sales for 2001 is so 3757, but out of 2001, so each month wise how much sales in July month 546, how much percentage of 100 overall percentage 14%, in August month 18%, in September month so 14, October 18, November 14, December 20, like that. So it is giving each year wise how much percentage with respect to the current month. Okay, like that we created the measures. So in 2002 also, for each month how much percentage in entire year. So February 2%, so in December 29%, and August 13%, like that. So we have created the measures. I'll try to show that is also. Okay, so first we'll try to look for this measure is filtered symbol. So go to this measure. So here I'm just based on the month name wise, I'm just filtering and dividing total sales by month scope. So this is one of the measure. So I'll try to go to the again this measure. Here I given this, based on this it's giving the value for this measure month scope is filtered symbol. Okay, same thing for the with respect to the year also, I'm dividing total sales divided by year one. This is again another measure, year one, this measure. So based on that it's giving the percentage with respect to the each month wise in entire 2001. So And also I have created a symbol kind of thing based on this percentage. So if it is greater than 20 means greater than 10 percentage means obviously it's up symbol. Whether it is below 10 percentage means it's a down symbol. Now you can see that. So if it the percentage is greater than 10 means, now you can see color is also changing. If it is less than 10 means we have downside, and also we have the red kind of color, right? So it represents that so this month percentage sales is not good. So easily we can understand which month is not performing well and which month performing well. Based on that we can understand so data. And also we can filter. If you want to see the only specific year, we can do the selection also. In 2001 it's good because all month sales are greater than 10 percentage. In 2002, so some of the months not performing well. In 2003, even same the case like 2002. In 2004, so most of the months performing well. So actually we have up to July month only sales, so that is the reason we are taking only July only. Remaining, if the month doesn't have any sales, we are not taking into the consideration. So this is one. So I have created another page also. I'll try to explain this one also. So here, based on category as well as the subcategory wise, I'm creating the percentage of sales. Okay, for example, in entire category, in entire total sales, what is the category percentage of sales? Accessories, this much percent of sales. Bikes, clothing. So in overall sales, how much percentage of sales accessories, how much percentage of sales bikes, how much percentage of sales clothing? For example, so this is the 100% means, okay, accessories 21 percentage, bikes are 71 percentage, and clothing 6 percentage. So based on that we are representing symbol also. If it is greater than 30 percentage means above symbol. If it is below 30 means we are showing red color and downside symbol, right? So even you can do the slicing, dicing also. See, so based on a region wise we are filtering, we are understanding which categories are doing well and which category is not doing well. And this is the high level hierarchy. When you drill down to further level, we have the subcategory. Each category wise how much percentage of sales for the this one subcategory. In accessories, these are the subcategories. In bikes, these are the subcategories. In clothing, these are the subcategory. So how we are getting this percentage sales? So within this accessories category, so each subcategory how much percent of sales? For example, this is 100 percentage means, so each category, each subcategory, what is the contribution of the sales? 5 percentage, 5, 8, 0.69, 3.74, 37. So these two are performing well. These two subcategory doing well in this accessories. When it comes to bikes, so mountain and road bikes are doing well. Okay, and clothing means only jerseys doing well, remaining are not doing well. And also we can do the slicing in this uh, subcategory level also. See, now we can do this based on this slicer selection. Automatically data is getting filtered so that we can understand which subcategory is doing well, which subcategory is not doing well based on the categories. So easily we can study the data. Based on that we can make a decision. So I have done all these 2-page reports by using ISFiltered functions. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. So stay tuned for other videos. So thank you so much for watching.